like sweet and salty. Not salty, but it's just. Excuse me, you guys.
Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables.
Hi Veggie fam, it's your girl Natasha. If this is your first time here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you can become a part of the Veggie fam too. Okay, so today's video, guys, we are going to be eating some we're going to be eating some delicious Indian chicken curry. Oh my gosh, I can't even wait, y'all. And we have some samosas and some mixed vegetables over here. All right, okay. And then to drink, you guys, we have a mixed berry and matcha juice. So I juiced this today. I have a juice today. So without further ado, we're going to pray for this food. And then we're going to get right into it, y'all. Right into it. Father God, thank you for this food. Please bless the hands that prepared. I also pray for my subscribers that they're having a blessed and awesome day, Jesus, and that they have food on their table as well. In your name I pray, amen and amen. Okay, so how's my veggie fam doing today? I hope you guys are doing absolutely blessed and absolutely awesome like always. Best believe it, okay? Okay, so we're going to do a little thumbnail. We're going to, yeah. You guys, don't gonna pay me anymore. I'm just trying to find a good pose. I think this should be good. Yeah, okay, so let's just dig in, y'all. This is gonna pull up our sleeves, you guys. All right, and should I take off my ring? Nah, I'll just wash it if it gets messy. Ooh, this is too hot. Ooh. Okay, this is a point where, you know how I love the steam? When you eat with your hands, I love the steam. It's too hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot to give you guys a bite. Here you go. With some rice. It feels so good, guys, that we're not doing a challenge. I can just eat as much or however I want. Okay, let's go for a drink. So delicious. Okay, samosa. My first time having that. It's so sweet. But still so like, it's like sweet and salty. Not salty, but it's just, excuse me, you guys. Okay. So hot. This time when I made this, like when I made, last time I made Indian food, I didn't have that much sauce on it. That was my first time having it, but guys, You guys, it's hot. Thank God. I hate cold food. I hate it so bad. It's worth the pain on my fingers. Because I have nice hot food. So I finally got braids, you guys. Been meaning to get some for a long time now. Get a little break from them. So thank God. I'm telling you guys, it only took me like half the day. Not even, like probably like 8 hours. That's the first for me. The potato and peas, awesome combo, guys. Okay, so like I said, 2 shout outs every single week, you guys. I'm probably gonna go down to 1 shout out every week because I don't know. Sometimes I'll be forgetting. So the first shout out, I mean, today's shout out goes out to All Things Slowly. All Things Slowly, yeah. Okay. She has an awesome channel, very nice, sweet person. I really like her videos and her message about healthy eating, you guys. And yeah, she has some good conversations on her videos also. Okay, so if you haven't already, please go over to her channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna leave her channel right here. Oh, hi. This is a good method to eating, you guys. I'm so crazy. You guys, this is such a fun way to eat, I gotta say. This is so good, you guys. I made it the same way as the other video, but except I juiced it like I said with also put orange juice in it. But great combo, you guys. Tastes good as a smoothie. Tastes good juiced. Tastes good whatever. Okay, just delicious. Yeah, this is so good. I absolutely love basmati rice, you guys. So much flavor. So yummy, so delicious. Let's go for some more chicken. Samosas are so good. I already know my research. There's so many ways you can make samosa. Like, I was watching one video where they use like regular white bread, and they made it. That was like the quick and easy way. You can also use the wraps for, you know, what's that thing called? I can make egg rolls, those wraps. I made my dough from scratch today. I don't know, pastry, dough or pre-made dough, or anything like that, guys. This meal took me like an hour to make. I don't know, people usually use, like, sorry, I'm using a wipe. It's really messy. I know people usually eat it with like a sauce on the side, but I run out of time, you guys. So yeah, you guys, I ate good. I'm just saying, I ate so good today. I'm so happy. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe below. Again, I make new videos almost every single day, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye. You guys, this is so yummy, so delicious. Oh my gosh.